When choosing outdoor LED fixtures, most people focus on brightness. However, what truly determines a fixture's stability and lifespan is the LED structure and encapsulation technology. Outdoor environments are far more demanding than indoor applications. Long-term exposure to sunlight, rain, humidity, and temperature changes continuously challenge lighting products, especially for permanent outdoor lighting and pixel point lighting systems. Unsuitable LED packages can easily lead to issues such as lumen depreciation, flickering, and short circuits. The commonly used 5054 LED package offers high brightness and power output, but its ultra-thin 0.8 mm support structure leaves limited space for protection and encapsulation. A standard LED encapsulation process requires sufficient transparent ABS resin to fully cover the chips and bonding wires, protecting core components and ensuring long-term reliability. Due to its limited encapsulation space, the 5054 package faces greater sealing challenges in dense pixel lighting systems with frequent on-off operations. During long-term outdoor use, repeated thermal expansion and contraction may stress the encapsulation material and bonding wires, causing moisture penetration, wire damage, lumen decay, flickering, or failures. Why do we recommend 5050 LEDs for high-end outdoor pixel lighting projects? The 5050 LED package features a reinforced 1.8 mm support frame and high-strength waterproof encapsulation structure, making it better suited for long-term outdoor operations in harsh environments. Compared with 5054 solutions, 5050 LEDs provide improved durability, reduce system failures, and deliver more stable, long-lasting performance. At Guli, we carefully select every LED component to ensure every beam of light withstands the elements and continues to shine brilliantly for years.